Darna. Um, Today I'm gonna show you how to use the watch. And for PSVR and Oculus, they're kind of different because right now I'm using an iPhone, and in your VR, when you put your hands up like that, there should be a window that's gonna show in front of you. But since I'm using an iPhone, I'm just gonna click this watch that's next to my view. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look like even if you have a VR. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how the watch works, but I'm not gonna go in details in every buttons that you see, because my main focus is just to show you how the watch works. Okay, so right now I'm gonna press the play button, and this is where you're gonna find all the games. And if just in case that you do have a specific game you wanna go to, all you gotta do is just hit this magnifying glass, and then the engine search is gonna pop in there, and then all you gotta do is just type whatever kind of game you want to go to. So you see I type Isle. Now the Isle of Lost Skulls just showed in there. So now I'm gonna show you these people. The people are your friends. Okay, these are your friends where stored. It's like it's like a phone book. Yeah, all your friends are in there. And the nearby one, these can also be your friends, but some of them are people who are in Recroom. That's not your friend. So just in case that no one is online and then you just want to invite somebody else you do not know, you can just go to nearby and then just invite them for a game. The clubs are the clubs. These are people create. Okay, they can, even you can create a club, and then you invite your friends and they can join you. And the events is just the same thing as the clubs. You can create a clubs and then you can invite people. And messages are the people, people who are sending you messages. Okay, notification from your friends, messages from your friends, and notification from the creator. The store, okay, the store, as you can see, you can buy all these, right? And as I have showed you on my previous video, in the customize button, you can also see a store there. But the only difference is that in this store, if you click something here, just like that, you see you can buy as a gift. So when you use this button, the one in your watch, you could always buy a gift for your friend, which is really kind of cool. And then this create button, these are there's a template. Okay, these are created by the creator of Recroom. So this one you can use. Say you want to make like a wedding place, so you go there, you click it, and then you're gonna create your own name for this wedding place, which people can go if you open it for public, they can always go there if they wanted to. The thing is with the templates, they already have designed the place, but you will have to put more stuff in there. So you can use the maker pen, which I'm gonna show you how to do it on the following videos. So let's go back. oops. What? Okay. So now I'm gonna go to challenges. Okay, these challenges, they give you like a daily challenges, like daily, so it's every day. Different kinds of challenges. So when you finish it, they're gonna give you a reward. You won't know what's inside until you finish it, until you finish the games. So sometimes it's cool, sometimes it's so cool. Anyway, so they also give you like a weekly challenge. It's kind of harder than the daily, but at least they give you a week. And this one you will see what is the price already. Usually they give you a skin. A skin is something that you can use when you have a weapon. So which means that when you go to a quest and you have the skin, and every time that you hold the weapon, like if you have a sword and you hold it, then the skin is going to change. That's what it does. Okay. This room, okay, when they say this room, they're talking about wherever room you're at. Okay, so if you are in rec room, in the rec center, or if you are in your friend's dorm, or if you are in any quest, if you open it, it still say this room. But when you see that, it means it's talking about the room where you're at. So right now I'm on my dorm, so it's talking about my dorm. So when I click it, you see, if you go to other rooms, other dorms, or any quest, whenever you open this room, you won't see the save button. The save button is very important when you are designing your room, or if you are creating any invention in your room. You always save it. Every time that you want to keep something, save it. When you take a picture and you want to keep the picture, save it. Okay, so the one that's next to it, that is like a restart. Unless you saved it already, then it's just gonna go back to where it's at. But if you made a mistake and you just want to do it again, all you gotta do, just press that, and then it's gonna go back to the last time that you saved it. And then the settings. So when you hit the settings, okay, the room, band list, the keys, game options, room instance browser. I barely use that. To be honest, I never really use that. I only use the permissions and the roles. The permission is when you want to give permission to your friend to, well, basically it's really for maker pen. So if you want your friend to use a maker pen, if all you gotta do, you see the co-owner, all you gotta do, just hit the setting, and then can use maker pen. So you say yes, mine is already on to yes, and then after that you can invite whoever co-owner you wanted. So if you want to invite Wolf, or well, he's my friend, so if I invited him, he should receive like an invitation or like a message that I'm inviting him to be a co-owner. If he accepts it, then he can use a maker pen inside my dorm. Sometimes there's like a glitch, or sometimes there's internet problem in a rec room, and the invite doesn't, it doesn't, they couldn't receive it fast, whoever you're inviting. So if that happens, all you gotta do, just go to your dorm room, the one that's here on the second last, and then you hit the settings, and then you say can use maker pen. See the difference between the dorm room. Wait, I need to take that out. So the difference between the dorm room and the co-owner is that anyone who goes to your room can use a maker pen. That's a difference. Okay, so if you invited 4, then 4 of them can use, if you invited 3, then 3 of them can use the maker pen. Not like the one in co-owner. The only one who you invite is the only one who can use a maker pen. So even if you invite 3 people and it's only one you invited to become a co-owner, so he's the only one who can use the maker pen. Okay, so now the roles here. Okay, this one, it's really cool. All you gotta do, just go to your dorm room, and then if you see these in front of you, the maker pen, grab it. So once you grab it, see, you see that. Now this is really cool because now you can fly. See, mine is already on, so now I can fly. I can just go fly around my dorm, outside the dorm, and even your friends who visits you, who go to your room, they can also fly. Okay, so now wait, why it doesn't want to do that? Let me drop it. There you go. Okay, so let's go now. We're done with these. We're done with this room, so we're gonna talk about the backpack. The backpack has 2 important tools: the camera and the maker pen. I'm gonna talk about the camera and the maker pen on the following videos. So right now I'm just showing that to you. This feedback tool, well, it's just straightforward. It's just a writing tool. So the rec center, I don't want to press it right now because if I do press it, I'm gonna go to rec center, and I don't want to do that. I'm gonna show it to you maybe sometime later, not in the next videos. So I'm just gonna show you the code. These code are the codes that computer generated. So if you hit this club, the event, the meetup, the friend, or the referral, it's gonna create a code. So that code, all you gotta do, just share it. So if you want to invite somebody, give it to them, and then when they open an account in Recroom, they can quickly find you. That's the purpose of it. It's easier, convenient. Okay, and then the setting next to it. Wait, what happened? Okay, is that it? Yeah. Okay, so the audio, it's pretty much easy to understand. Okay, you see the my voice pitch. If you don't want people to know who you are or what you are, you just put it in low pitch. You're gonna sound like a guy, and a high pitch, you're gonna sound like a baby. And then microphone on and off, voices I can hear. Okay, so the experience, the ignore bubble. Okay, this bubble, this is when you have friends. Say that you're talking to a friend and you put it in large, which means even if they're kind of far from you, you're gonna go in kind of a little bit invincible. Sometimes kind of annoying, but I don't know if you like it. But me, I don't like it, especially when I'm talking to my friends. So I turn it off. So even if they go near me, I'm not gonna be invincible. I won't look transparent. I think it's kind of better. Okay, so if you don't want to be disturbed by people, like what I'm doing right now, because I'm doing a video of it, I put it in no one, appear online to no one, so nobody can invite me or ask for me to invite them. And it's just your own, like your space, like your own privacy, if you just want to have privacy. The gameplay. All right, since I'm using iPhone, I cannot show you the transport, okay, because there's two way to walk, there's two way to move around. You can teleport, you can teleport, or you can walk. For people who gets DC and people who are beginners with VR, sometimes they get dizzy, just like what I did. Like how it happened, like what happened to me before. I got really dizzy, so I used the teleport. But then now I'm used of using VR, so I just keep on walking, and it doesn't really bother me anymore. But since I'm using an iPhone, I don't have that option, so I cannot show it to you. But if you have an Oculus and you game to, and then you go to gameplay, you're gonna see that. Okay, so the advance, the help page, and the restore purchases. This only works for all the VRs and computer and iPad and and iPad. But wait, it works for PSVR, iPad, iPhone, computer, but not in Oculus. Okay. So we're gonna go to Darna. You see that? The one that's next to my name. If I press it, it's gonna go to my profile. My profile, I can always change it, but I believe that I can only change it like 3 times. And then you see that there's a button that says saved outfits. This can help you, because this one you can carry it anywhere. You can change your outfits anywhere you are. Okay, so say you are in Jumbotron and you want to change it, you want to change your outfit, all you gotta do, just hit the load and you'll see me change my outfit. See? Okay, and you can use that anywhere you go. So even if you're in Quest and you want to change the outfit, you can do that. For you to do that, you'll have to, when you're dressed up like that, say you are dressed up like that, okay? And then you go to you are in dorm, because you can only do it in dorm. You can only save it when you are in your dorm room. So you press these outfits. Oops, wait, hold on. You press that. Oh, it's because I still have these. Wait, I need to recall my. Alright, so I press these. You see, now all you gotta do, all these are already saved, but the one with Recroom icons, it means it's empty. So all you gotta do, just press the save button, and then you say take picture, and then grab the camera, and then you take a picture, and then you confirm, and then you save. So now it's saved in there. You see? And for you to save, I'm gonna repeat it again, okay? For you to save the outfits, you have to do it inside the dorm. But once you save it and you go to other places like Quest or your friend's dorm, you can always change your outfit. So for you guys who are fashion savvy, it's really perfect, because you can always change your outfit. It's really cool. Okay, because that's not my outfit. Really, this is me. There you go. Well, that's my favorite. Okay, so now we are done with that, with a saved outfit. But we still... Okay, so now the bio. Well, basically that's you. So whatever you want to put in there, if you want people to know you better, just portfolio. You know what? I should put mine. YouTube account. YouTube account. Darnox. Cause people can check it out. Who you are. They can see your bio. And that's the reason why if you want people to know more about you, you just put it in there. Okay, so now it's saved. Is it saved? Yeah. So now the portfolio. This is like the maps. It's like places. Remember I told you about the template? Yeah, this is what I did. I took one of the templates and then I kind of fix it. So I put some games and all that. I'm gonna show it to you on my upcoming videos, because right now we're just talking about how to use the watch. Portfolio, referral is just the same thing with the code. Okay, so I guess we covered pretty much everything. I'm gonna be showing you how the camera works on my next video. Okay, thank you for coming, thank you for listening, thank you for watching, and hope you put a likes and a subscribe on my videos. I will really appreciate that. Thank you. See you again till next time. Bye.